You've wondered all the options in the Slogan desktop profile. Today I'll be breaking down step by step so that you'll be able to take full control of your Slogan profile. From photos to bio, let's just dive into it. Profile photo. This speaks so much to the people that want to communicate with you. They really want to know about you. That's why the profile photo is important. You need to consider using profile photo view, and which can explain to the viewer the person they are communicating to. So we tap the sidebar, and now we go to the settings, and now we go to my account. So here we have different options. We'll start with updating our profile picture. So just come right here, we select either a file or from the camera we use an emoji, but let me try using an emoji. And okay, let me just use this and change slightly the background to, let me see the color that matches with our background. I'm not so good with colors and all that, but in case we need some other emojis, we can find them right here. But currently we don't have emojis. I don't know why, but okay, let's try this. Stickers. Let me see. These are like 34 stickers. I don't know why they're not loading. Maybe it's my network. Okay, let's look at the trending ones. Let me add this sticker. Okay, let's add multiple stickers. Okay, they're right here, but each category has a different number. I see here we have 24 stickers, 23 stickers, we have 34 stickers, we have, so if you want we can delete all. These are the delete icons, just delete, or we can undo. Okay, let's just tap OK. Okay, let's save. This is our profile photo, name and username. Now under this section we shall set up the username. Actually it's a unique identifier. You can't have two usernames. I mean you can't have the same username as me. In Slogan it's impossible. You need to create your own username. So let's head over to the name. Let's change the name and say it's 1V. Then tech. Okay, save. Oh, why isn't it doing? Okay, let me try to change this into caps. Okay, it's not working. Let me see. Okay, let's just leave the name as it is. I would have used another name, but maybe it detects if you're not using the real name and it won't work it out. So let's just chill that. So the username, here we'll use 1VTech. Hope it will be accepted. Oh, it's already occupied. Okay, now let me just say it's 1VTech. It's already occupied. We are in 2025. Okay, I hope they have accepted this. It's available, so save that. Bio, you just have to explain yourself, issues concerning your age, what you like, what you do, something like that, so that these people can be able to understand you more For instance, let's say that this is one VTech. Okay, this is one VTech and I do tech videos to solve problems. I can add my age. For instance, I can say I am 27 years. The occupation, the city, you can add based on what you want. Phone number. Now for the phone number, it's only visible to the people that are your contacts. Remember, in the privacy settings, your phone number is only accessible to the people that have your contact. That means that it's by default, but you can change it out. So this is the number. So you can only change your phone number using mobile Slogan apps. This explains to us that Slogan desktop can't change your details. For instance, the number, you can't change it. So you just have to go to your Android app, or maybe your tab or something, or even your Apple device, maybe your Apple phone or something. Then you change QR code. Now this will be used maybe if you want to share your contact faster, and it's a faster way to so that people can just scan the code and they get in contact with you rather than writing the number, trying to save and all that. It's just something that can be done, and since your contact can be accessed from the person that doesn't have your number, having the QR code is a game changer, because it will enable the people without your contact to get access to your account and message you as well. This is the QR code that you can be able to share with friends on your socials, so people can follow you up. It's in normal mode, the quality, but we can increase it to high, we can increase it to very high. Then the font, we can reduce the font a little bit, maybe that can work. So the profile photo, we can choose either to include profile photo or not. Let's include it. Then we have a transparent background so that we just see the code, the QR code. Okay, can copy, then I'll share maybe to friends or post anywhere, so that they can, the moment they scan, they can be able to contact me or something like that. So connected devices. Now here you can be able to see all the devices that are connected to your account. In simple terms, I can call this connecting more than one account to your account, so I can easily switch to the account. So here we can add an account. So I can just come here, log in, and boom, I add an account. So I just switch. Probably it makes sense. And here we can add a personal channel. If I've created any channel, but I don't have any channel currently, I'll just have to start a channel. Start and do that. That's a video of another day, but in case you have a channel, you can include it in your profile section. Okay, so here we can add a date of birth. For instance, let's look at 1st March. Let me look at my birthday. So 1st March 1998. Okay, right there. Press saved. So my birthday has been updated. So here we can choose the contacts that can see my birthday. Is it everybody? If I select this, everybody will be able to view my birthday. But I can come right here and I select random users that I don't want to see my birthday. Just come and add. Okay. So after adding, I just save. But let me leave everybody to see my birthday. It makes sense. Basically, that's the info. The info section of my account. So in the next videos we shall be tackling the other parts that we need to try to explore, something like that. And that's your desktop profile settings. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.